What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been battling frustrating FPS drops or stuttering in Marvel Rivals, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step solutions to improve your gaming performance and ensure smooth gameplay. If this video helps you out, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update drivers in game. The first step is to ensure that everything is updated. Update GPU drivers. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, download the latest drivers and install them. Check for game updates. Open the game launcher, then go to the Updates section to make sure Marvel Rivals is running the latest patch. Update your OS. Go to your system settings, check for updates, then install any pending ones. Solution 2. Optimize graphics settings. Lowering graphics settings can significantly reduce FPS drops and stuttering. Set resolution to medium or low. Disable effects like shadows, motion blur, and anti-aliasing in the game settings. Cap your FPS to match your monitor's refresh rate, e.g. 60 Hz, 144 Hz. Solution 3. Close background applications. Excessive background programs can eat up valuable resources. On PC, open Task Manager, then close unnecessary apps like browsers, music players, or background updaters. On consoles, disable auto-downloads or background installations during gaming. Solution 4. Improve internet connection. Stuttering can sometimes result from network issues. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stability. Restart your router to refresh the connection. Disconnect other devices on the same network to reduce congestion. Solution 5. Clear shader cache and manage GPU settings. If you're on PC, clearing your shader cache can resolve performance issues. Open your GPU control panel, go to Settings, then clear the shader cache. If using an NVIDIA card, set the preferred graphics processor to high-performance NVIDIA GPU. Solution 6. Use a lag reducer tool, optional. Consider using a lag reducer like LagoFast for smoother gameplay. Download LagoFast, install it, then search for Marvel Rivals. Use the Smart Boost feature to optimize your connection and gameplay performance. Solution 7. Adjust power settings. On PCs and laptops, you can boost performance by switching to a high-performance power plan. Go to your system settings, search for power options, then select High Performance. And there you have it. These solutions should help resolve FPS drops and stuttering in Marvel Rivals. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.